Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a mileage tracker in Google Sheets with Claude AI. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. This gives you a clean space to describe exactly what you want to create. Starting with a fresh chat is helpful because it keeps the request focused and makes it easier for the AI to generate a clear, useful response without mixing in previous context. Once the new chat is open, the next step is to enter a sample prompt asking Claude to help you make a mileage tracker in Google Sheets, then press enter to submit it. This is the point where you tell the AI what kind of spreadsheet you want. Try to be direct and specific in your request so the response is more practical and easier to use. For example, you can ask Claude to create a simple mileage tracker for Google Sheets that includes useful columns such as date, starting location, destination, purpose of trip, starting mileage, ending mileage, total miles, and reimbursement amount. You can also ask it to suggest formulas, layout ideas, or even a clean table structure you can copy into your spreadsheet. The more clearly you describe your goal, the better the output is likely to be. After you send the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate its response. In most cases, it will provide a suggested structure for the tracker and may include formulas or instructions for setting it up in Google Sheets. This can save time, especially if you want a ready-made starting point rather than building the sheet completely from scratch. As you write your prompt, keep in mind that a mileage tracker is most useful when it is simple and consistent. Asking for a layout that is easy to update regularly can make a big difference later. If needed, you can refine your prompt and ask Claude to make the tracker more detailed or more streamlined, depending on how you plan to use it. That's all it takes to get started. Open a new Claude chat, enter a prompt requesting a mileage tracker in Google Sheets, and submit it. From there, Claude can help you create the framework you need to track trips, calculate mileage, and organize records more efficiently.